Today is the 21st of September, 2023. It's Travis and Lucas, and we got a nice little special surprise here. It's the 5055 Prism, Panini Prism. Looks like 555, doesn't it?
Yes, but it's
2022 Panini Prism. I accidentally grabbed the 22s instead of 23s, but anyway, Lucas helped me pick up the poop. I got the lawn mowed. Now we're gonna open the cards. Sit down so we can see you. Gotta put them so people can see them.
So we have 6 packs.
5 cards in each pack. Who's our go-to player? What's our chase on this one?
I think for me it would be Paul Boncaro.
I was thinking Paul Boncaro myself.
Boncaro.
Boncaro?
Yeah, I think.
Yep.
So I'll open my pack first.
Okay. By the way, tomorrow we're leaving and going to watch our first Gators game. Kind of excited. All right, sound them off.
We have John Morant, Isaiah Thomas, the old Isaiah Thomas, a Jalen Williams refractor,
Not bad.
a rookie Bryce McGowan, and a Patrick Ewing.
All right, let's see what I got. Ooh.
Our goal for subscribers is 10.
Jalen Williams.
10 is our goal.
AJ Griffin. Oop, we got a green. Not going to show that one yet. That's a good one. Jabari Walker, rookie. Ooh. Hopefully he does well. Shaded Sharp.
Shannon. Oh.
And Paul George, a green.
Oh, that's good.
Not numbered. Not rookie.
Yeah, but still.
Paul George.
It's
He's
Paul
good.
George. And Shannon Sharp is good.
Shaded Sharp.
Yeah.
Is he a rookie?
Yeah, he's rookie.
Is he any good?
Yes. So, next up, we have a Jalen.
Oh, it's the Jalen Williams.
Yes. We have. Oh, we're not going to show that one. Whoa. So we have Russell Westbrook, more known as Brick.
He was good. He's still in the NBA.
Jaden Hardy. He looks like he's.
That's rookie.
That's high school. He came out of high school. There's no name on it. Or look.
Yep. Here, let me see that.
At the bottom, there's none. So next, we have a Paul George, an instant impact Paulo Banchero rookie.
That one goes in a cover.
Yeah. You can put it in.
Nice. Oh. Looks like the corners are already chopped. Look at this.
That's straight from Panini.
I know, but look at what I'm talking about in that corner right there. You see how it's all chopped up right there?
Yeah, and it's bent.
Yep, that's a bad cut. That's disappointing. Come on, Panini. You know better than that. This is the Prism we're talking about here. I know it's not flawless, but I don't have $7,000.
What?
Dominique Wilkins. Kennedy Chandler, rookie.
Purple.
Paul Pierce, pink.
Can I see?
Kind of a cool Paul Pierce. It's too bad he's not a rookie.
No number.
DeMar Rosen.
DeMar DeRozan.
Patrick Baldwin Jr. I hope he's good. I have a lot of his cards. That's it.
And now it's time for my last pack. This is just a short little video. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander.
I've never heard that name before in my life.
I have.
Yeah? Is he any good?
Yes, he's good. Allen Iverson.
I was reading part of a Kobe Bryant book today, and you know who he said was the best defender that ever played against him?
David Robinson?
Nope.
Yeah.
Wasn't AI.
So, wait.
Anyway, go ahead.
We
Sorry.
have Jabari Walker Green.
Nice. I'll take that.
Orlando Robinson rookie.
Mm-hmm.
We have Jerry West.
All right, last one.
Can we pull an auto?
Can we pull
Another Paul Bencaro.
Jube McGraw? I'm trying to read it off the screen. Oh, Jordan Poole. Jube McGraw.
Jordan Poole?
Jordan Poole. Trevor Keels. Oh, I got a green in here. I'm going to keep that green. Oh, if anyone's heard of Chris Paul, he was a pretty good player. Jabbar Smith Jr., rookie.
That's right.
And it is time for Mr. Green Card. That's probably going to be an auto. You ready?
Jordan Walsh. No, it's not an auto. No. That's an auto.
Jordan Walsh.
That's an autograph. Jordan Walsh.
So we got...
We didn't even get guaranteed an auto.
No, we bought a Target pack. It's not an on-card auto, though. And it's not a rookie, obviously. But Jordan Walsh, he's a decent auto. We don't have his yet. We don't have Jordan Walsh yet, do we?
We have a Bowman U cards.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the end.
Anyway, that is our little blaster box from Target. Not a bad pull.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not the best, but could be worse.
The oldest player that we have is probably Jerry West.
Jerry West, yeah. But he's a chrome. Look at. Ooh, with no numbers. All right. Y'all have fun.